Ever find yourself yawning more than you're eating at breakfast? You're not alone. This phenomenon could be your body's cry for help, signaling poor sleep or a disrupted sleep cycle. Yawning instead of eating can lead to decreased energy levels and reduced focus throughout your day. But don't fret. Adjusting your bedtime routine can make mornings more bearable. Start by limiting screen time before bed. The blue light can disrupt your sleep cycle. Incorporate calming activities into your evening, like reading or meditating, to enhance sleep quality. Embrace these changes and watch as your mornings transform from yawning at breakfast to seizing the day.